If you are a content creator, you have definitely faced an annoying problem: the limitations of free tools and the hassle of switching between different platforms. But today, I am giving you the best solution for image generation, video generation, and music generation with the use of Veo 3.1 completely free. So let's jump straight into this amazing video. First, click the link in the description and open the website. You'll see 4 different options on the homepage. We're going to explore each one and see exactly what they can do. The first tool is Whisk for image generation. Click Whisk and you'll land on the main interface. Just type your prompt at the bottom, and within seconds, it will generate a high-quality image. Whisk actually has a lot more features, and if you want to see them in full action, you can watch my How to Make AI Horror video tutorial. I used Whisk completely in that video. Also, quick update, I've created a WhatsApp channel for you guys where I share new updates, YouTube growth secrets, and powerful AI shortcuts. So don't forget to join it. Next, let's move to the video generation feature. Click Flow, Create New Project. Here, add your video prompt, choose your aspect ratio, and select the Veo 3.1 model. Hit Generate, and in just a few seconds, your perfect video will be ready. The third tool is ImageFX, another image generator. But if you want consistent characters, I still recommend using Whisk because it gives more stable results. However, if you want to try ImageFX, just click Launch, enter your prompt, choose Orientation, and hit Create to generate your image instantly. Now for the most interesting one, MusicFX. This tool lets you generate custom music for your videos. Open MusicFX, describe the style of music you want, and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get a clean, professional-sounding track. These were today's powerful tools. If you want a dedicated video on any specific tool, just let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and follow my WhatsApp channel for more AI tips and YouTube growth secrets.